What is going on, guys? We are back with the car that I don't like that much because it kind of, it's a long story. But the SN95 5.0, we're here with my friends Anthony from Out of Line Garage. They needed a few parts off of it. Unfortunately, it looks like the parts that, most of the parts you're looking at are not. Yeah, they're a little, door panels are a little rough. Yeah, but. So we're gonna just strip this car anyways. We are in preparation of a engine swap that we're gonna be doing on this car. And this car is gonna go full on a weight reduction, straight line drag car with full suspension and an engine swap that I'll fill you guys in later. Just put your guesses down below. So you want to just start tearing into this thing? Let's see how long it takes 3 Mustang experts to rip an entire interior out of an SN car. Yeah, we're basically going to be kind of sorting, you know, what is trash and just throw it away, and what is like good for something else. But yes, let's get started. Yeah. So if you're not already familiar, 5-liter blown head gasket. We're going to be selling that complete setup out of this thing. It's got like some so-so seats, like they're not terrible, especially the passenger seat. This doesn't even have any bolts in it, like nothing. Yeah. The screw's gone, the push pin isn't here, it's literally nothing. Oh, it has I'm gonna grab the Phillips head. Yep, let's grab that. Alright guys, so we thrashed on this for, what did you say, 20 minutes? let me show y'all what we got so far. Door panels out, carpet out, seats out, all this is out. Yeah, I mean at this rate, might as well just pull the motor. So I think Andrew's gonna leave the dash for now. For now, until we pull it and cut everything out of it. Until I can talk him into trading my my Cobra dash so we can flock it, and then I can take this one. Yeah. Oh, that would be cool to do only the top half. That'd be major weight reduction. That stuff. Yeah, you could what we could do when you pull that out, I'll bring over my my saddle and black one. We can cut the top section off of it, or a lot of people will do this metal. And then the center metal, and you can flock it so it's not reflective. Yeah. So that might be a better option for you, because I need the black dash for my Cobra. Just saying. This airbag. That I think there's bolts from underneath the glove compartment, I believe. Yeah, it's been a while since I pulled in one of those airbags, but yeah, that's how the car is looking. Trunks pretty much stripped. I didn't realize, apparently the 94, 95 GTs don't have the little box for the alarm. I don't know if that's just a trim model thing, but the newer cars have a box that goes right here that controls your clicker thing. Yeah. So I mean, this car could be really freaking light because like being a 5-liter car, it didn't have as much computer stuff as like the mod motor stuff, and the new Edge stuff is even heavier. So yeah, because this was a stripped down car. Like looking at the wiring harness for the seats too, like it's just that. Hello. So apparently this car has an aftermarket shifter too. I don't know what this is. Steeda maybe. I don't know. Or it could be just an eBay one. But we'll find out in a minute. But I guess we'll go back to time-lapse mode. Nothing's ever gonna be alright. Life will never
so a little update. We ran and got food real quick. We're in the process of getting ready to pull this motor out. So I've stolen the camera from Andrew and give you guys a little update. Got the fuel lines off, the intake's out. Pretty much the entire wiring harness is disconnected. We've disconnected the top coolant hose.
You can do the bottom one too.
Yeah.
I just don't know if that one might actually have some.
Probably be easier to do that when we get it up on the lift.
Yeah. I think we're pretty much ready to get it up on the lift. Right?
Look at that mean beard. It's getting long.
Oh yeah. Hey, you want to get her up on the lift?
Yeah.
Unbolt the exhaust.
For those of you who don't know who I am and the other Anthony is, we both have our own YouTube channel called Adeline Garage, which Andrew will link down below as I'm getting run over by, hang on, let me close the door, by the Mustang. We're Mustang guys. I've known Andrew before Mustang Lifestyle was a channel, so. But, all right, we've got the car getting ready to go up on the lift. I am kind of jealous of this brand new bend pack lift, I'm not gonna lie. Are you gonna be able to? Yes, you are, cool. Let's take those tools off before they end up,
Disappear?
yeah, before we end up getting hit in the head with stuff falling.
And we took everything out and it's like, pretty much most of it was trash. So.
Wow, come on, focus. There we go.
Alright, we good? Go up.
100% jealous right now. It's got a brand new diff cover on it.
They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. Had no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. I have to forget my old set way of life. I go to prison or die by the knife. I hear the sirens, they are closing in. Time to fast.
All right, she's ready to come out.
Let's just throw a nice little 5.0 onto the GT500 sitting over there. All right, ready?
Yep. Yeah, she's coming. Just have to see if anything else is hanging up.
All right, we're out there.
It looks pretty free, honestly. Just gotta watch this harness, make sure it's completely free. I think it's free, right?
Yeah, it's completely free. I just don't know if we'll be able to clear the.
That's as far as it goes up?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to do a little bit more tension on the chain.
Alright, I think you just gotta move the plastic and we can back this one out.
Yep.
Car starts to spin. Screaming tires, time is running short. I go on foot as my last.
Well, we're gonna get rid of this old 302.
Oh, yeah.
Got her stripped down in no time.
We on our channel like 302s.
Yeah.
So if you like 302s, which I do not,
I'm assuming probably most of you guys know who we are, because if you followed Andrew's channel for a long time, we're the ones who installed the 4-valve into Turdzilla years ago, because Andrew was tied up with something, so we went over there and helped. But we're building a twin turbo 5.0 for his car.
It's almost done.
Yes.
yeah, so if you're mad at me for thinking that this is trash, then go over to their channel and
Actually,
watch that.
Go show them the truck too. If you guys are into F-150s, you know, only cool people still have F-150s. You know, the losers sell them for F-250s.
I love my F-150, but I just needed
This is our project.
a good tow rig.
2016 5.0 4x4.
Yeah, this was like a base model-ish, and you kind of like transformed this into...
Don't mind the explosion, but yeah, this was a jump
leather.
seat truck. Didn't have the
pretty
center
cool.
console. It had cloth seats. Sorry, we've been at the junkyard literally all day, where there's like everywhere. So this is our little project truck. Tow mirrors on, Raptor takeoff wheels. Dynamics sent us these SS3 Pro fog lights. Those things are bad. Raptor grill, Alpha X headlights.
Ooh, I do like these headlights.
Yeah,
Those look good.
They're not bad. They're not the super high end ones. They're about $400, but they work really good with LEDs.
Yeah.
So go sub to our channel, Adline Garage. Andrew's gonna put it in the description because he's a good YouTuber like that.
Yep. I won't forget. Hopefully.
But yeah. So come on over and give us some love, because we're just about ready to break 1 million overall channel views, which is a lot for us, but not a lot for, 100,000, 150,000 subscribers like Mr. Baller over here. But
It's still a big milestone.
yeah,
So
for us, it's a milestone.
yeah.
So yeah.
And then you guys will just have to wait to see the swap on this thing, because it is now empty. And empty inside as well.
It's something that he has never done before.
2JZ.
Yeah.
No,
Actually, that would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
I really want to do a Barra swap on something.
no, just
Some type of Mustang.
Something no one's ever done. Just SR20 DT this thing.
Oh God, no. God, no.
But, yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. All right, the old 302. She gone. Now I just need someone to take these seats out of my life. That seat's not bad. That one's so-so. And we don't need rear seats where we're going. All right, guys, so we're gonna wrap up the video on the SN95. You guys saw engine, drivetrain, pretty much gone out of this thing. Interior, oh, she's locked. Pretty much gone out of this thing. We are going to be turning this car into a pretty sweet drag car. We have full UPR front to rear suspension coming for it. We have a secret SPF motor for it coming, so you guys are going to see that. We do have a Powerglide trans as well. I've never done that before as well, so this one is going to be fun. I actually went ahead and sold this to my friend John, so this is going to be a team effort. Me and John are going to be basically building it with him, and especially when he comes down. My friend John has the 1,000 horsepower F-150. I just really didn't want this car in more projects than what we have now. Even though it's still a project, I won't be funding it while John will be funding it. We'll be building it, and it'll be here on the channel. You guys will see from start to finish, but UPR suspension is ordered. We got a Powerglide trans right there. I am very excited to get started with this. Like I said, I'm going to keep the engine combo a little bit of a secret because we might be doing a little bit of some grudge stuff with this car. So I'm definitely really excited to get started with that. Anyways, make sure you slap the like button down below. You guys will see this come together. We have Holley Terminator X as well coming for it. So a lot of good parts in this really junky shell, but it is going to be a lot of fun. So hope you guys are excited. We'll see you guys in the next one.